Hello everyone, welcome back. I was in the store and I got an alarm that the boiler was too hot, and first thing I did is went on the phone and turned the thermostat up in the shop. Rather try to get some of that heat in the shop than to just let it boil over. I get home and it's settled down quite a bit now, but it was really blowing the smoke out. She was on full rip, and it just shut off when I started filming, but that thing was beeping away and the temperature was still climbing. So first thing I did, because I thought my rope seal wasn't sealing quite good enough, well, the first thing I did is open this up. A little smoky because it just shut down, but I opened this up and I looked in there. That thing was open about 1/4 inch. So some reason when it's shutting down, every once in a while that thing hangs open. That's kind of why I went and put the Wi-Fi temperature dealio on there in the first place, is because my water level kept getting lower and lower, and I seen that cap flipped up once and wanted to see what was going on, and it's been pretty good since I put that on, but now it's hung up. So I'm gonna pull that apart, see if there's anything I can do with it. So I'm hoping this takes care of it here. All I did was I gave this a little bit of a push, like that, to get this all lined up straighter, because it seemed like it was binding when that slid in out of the solenoid there. Now it seems to be going real nice and easy, and I gave her some lube on there. It says to do that every once in a while. Doesn't seem to be hanging up whatsoever now. While I got you here, that's about what I have my fan set at. When I had it wide open, it tended to blow a pretty good flame out the stack, so that's settled it down a little bit. Still gets everything going plenty good. Now I'll get that thrown back together. Well, if you don't hear back about this, it took care of the problem. Hopefully this helps somebody out. I must bent it around a little bit when I was putting on the blower, the power drafter, because I never realized it doing this stuff before I put that on. Although it might just not been getting the fire as hot, because this thing really gets her going quick. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?